Here we have the 2021 Nissan Maxima SR. This one comes in gun metallic on charcoal perforated leather interior. And the powertrain consists of a 3.5 liter V6 engine made into the Xtronic CVT. It's a beautiful color on a beautiful car, I tell you. As you get to the front here, you have your LED headlamps, daytime running lights, as well as your LED fog lights. And then down here, we have 19-inch gloss black aluminum wheels. Passive keyless entry on the front two doors. And here are the controls for your power door locks, windows, mirrors, as well as your memory seats. And there's your Bose. There's your blind spot monitor right there. Cut that heated steering wheel on. Then you have your blind spot, which you can toggle on and off. And there's your power driver seat with power lumbar support. And there's your rear seat there. Let's hop in here real quick. So I have the seat in front of me back a little bit, but I'm 6'3", and I'm still able to sit back here. But down here you have your AC vents, along with your USB-C and USB charging port. So we get a little light back here. And there's a view of the front from back here. There's that dual pane sunroof. And there's your center seat, storage here for phones, and then you have your cup holders here. And there's the back there, very pretty. LED tail lamps. There's your dual exhaust down there. And pretty ample trunk space. And using the straps here, you can pull these, and that'll help fold the second row down. And you also have this where you can hang grocery bags on. So very helpful to have. And there's your power passenger seat there. Let's check out this V6. And there's a 3.5 liter there. So here we have a nice leather and Alcantara wrapped steering wheel, and it's already heated. It feels fantastic. But over here we have the navigation system. That's your home page there. And you have AM, FM, XM radio along with Bluetooth audio. And furthermore, you have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And there's your front camera with your 360 view. And there's your backup camera there. And then down here you have the controls for your dual zone automatic climate controls. Here's your shifter, park, reverse, neutral, drive. Then you can shift manually here or use these nice paddle shifters here. And then you have more radio controls here. You can just use this as a knob to scroll through. And then toggle over. And then you have your sport mode, which you can toggle that on and off, along with your traction control. And then you have your heated and cooled seat controls here. So turn to the right for heat, turn to the left to cool. And a little center console space there. It's kind of hard to see because it's dark out, but. And once again, that roof there, you can go ahead and slide that back. And there's a view of the rear seat. And over here, you have your glove compartment. And here you have your radio controls, so you can go through your stations, adjust your volume, and then here you can go through your gauge cluster. So we'll leave it there. And then over here you have your adaptive cruise controls, and then you can adjust the gap there. There's your push button start. And there's your key fob with remote start. So next it's time to take this Maxima SR out on the road for a quick test drive. So a really good pickup. And so far, a really comfortable ride on this bumpy back road. And I really love how they did the steering wheel. The Alcantara just feels really good when the steering wheel's heated. And these things are fast, and I just love the exhaust note. It just sounds so good. And just on cruise control here, really quiet. Just from the car in general, everything's really quiet. So far I've just been driving in normal mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it into sport and see what that does. Then we're gonna engage the paddle shifters. really quick, just really, really fast. And I have the cruise control on now, keeping me a safe distance from that car in front of me. And the Maxima really does tend to run better without the paddle shifters, in my personal opinion. I mean, it's a CVT, so unless you just like using paddle shifters, there's really no reason to use them. But coming down the interstate, really, really nice ride. And I have the adaptive cruise on again. And a really nice brake. Most adaptive cruises, when you have to brake, it's very abrupt, but that was so smooth. It's like the car knew what was happening. That was really great. And overall, so far, it's just been a great driving experience. I'm comfortable in the seat, very adjustable. It's nice and open in here, especially with the roof back. Well, this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Nissan Maxima SR.